Hey loves, it's Elle and welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for being here. Today we're going to play with something fun and something that I have never tried before, and I'm jumping on the bandwagon of magnetic eyelashes. I don't know, so we'll see. So if you want to know more about that, hit the subscribe button, share this video with somebody you think might like it, and let's do it. So, Mirenesse sent me, thank you so much Mirenesse, but they did send me these. This is their new magnetic liner lash kit, okay? It looks like this. It comes with the glue, which is right here. I took it out already so I could get ready for you guys. Comes with a pair for the night and pair for the day. And a remover, by the way, that's what that is right there. The pair for the day is actually really nice. It definitely isn't too much. It's kind of like this, if you guys can see. I'll put them on, obviously. But you need to make sure that you, there's like, I don't know if you guys can see, but there's little, like, it looks like almost magnets on it. Do you see the little rectangle pieces? So I'm assuming that's what the liner connects to. I have never tried anything like this. So it says, go ahead and put mascara on your lashes. So I have done that. Then it says, shake your glue. So that is what we're doing. And then it says, apply a thicker layer or a thicker line to your lash line. So you ready? Let's do this. Okay, it's just like a typical, you know, liquid liner. Oh God, I'm so nervous, you guys. And I don't wear lashes, but I thought this might be fun. Okay. Okay, the liner is so it says to let it sit 1 to 3 minutes. So that's what we're gonna do to get the glue tacky. Okay, so I'm gonna kind of look like it like this, you guys, so it doesn't transfer on my hooded lid. The liner's a little bit hard to use, so I'm wondering if it wouldn't be better to use a smaller brush because it's just a thicker, really flexible brush on it. So I'm wondering if we could use something else. All right, now what I have done is I have already pre-cut these to make sure that they fit my eye. And that's really important in any lash you use. If you see my Lash 101 video, that is really important, is to cut the lashes to your eye length. Now, what I have is, I have my tweezers here, okay, because I really don't apply lashes without tweezers because my hand is a little bit unsteady and yeah, you know. All right, so we're gonna try this. Okay, ready? Lash, eyeliner. Okay, wait. It says to start on the inside corner, but I never do that. And it says that if you need to take them off to reposition, you might have to use the eyeliner again. I haven't worn lashes in so long that these going on make me look like I am really going for it. Okay, so now I'm pressing the lashes together to combine them. It doesn't burn, it doesn't hurt, it doesn't feel heavy. That was actually rather easy to go on. It says it's 24 hours of wear. That's a long time. My lashes don't slip off my face ever when I wear them, but I'm interested to see, you know. It's just, I just have not worn lashes in so long. I look like I'm really trying hard. So what I'm gonna do is I am going to probably tight line under the lash line after I'm done. All right, so let's do this one more time. The mirror in here, by the way, is a little magnified. That's nice. Let's let that sit for a few minutes. I'll be right back. All right, here we go. Second one on. I'm gonna start in the middle. It really helps to look down at a mirror when you do this, guys. So the inner corner, when you put them on, it definitely sticks a whole heck of a lot better with this rather than traditional eyelash glue. I'll be very honest with you. It just really went on kind of quickly. Okay, so there we are. they are on. They're very pretty lashes. They're very, very soft lashes. Like I said, they don't feel heavy. They don't feel any more foreign than a regular lash would. You absolutely could cut these, so these could just be an outside corner if you wanted to, and then you would have 2 of these. They say that these are good for up to 30 uses, so all you do is just peel them off, because it's different than regular glue. It's just a magnet, so it's not going to pull your skin or your eyelash hairs, supposedly. And then it comes with a remover because it's oil-based. The remover is an oil-based, so then you just kind of remove the glue and you're ready to go. I'm taking this back now. Okay, hold on, I'm seeing this pop up. Okay, so my inner corner is popping up, and I just don't think that's just, and I don't think it's like, oh, because you didn't start from the inner corner. I'm gonna try to apply a little bit more. You know what, I start messing with the glue, and then it starts looking crazy. So what I probably will do after this is all dry, I'll probably give this a good 10 minutes to dry down, and I will definitely go in tight lines. So let me show you what that looks like and give you my final thoughts. Right back. Okay, so I am back. This lash has been giving me a lot of problems. It keeps popping up in this inner corner. I think that they're really pretty. Again, lashes are just a lot for me, but I wanted to have fun this week. I think that this eye looks really, really nice, and I started on the outside corner of this eye. This one, the glue is just getting everywhere. I feel like I need to take it off, to be honest with you, because it's just a mess. It takes a really long time to have the glue dry down. So my thoughts are, I just don't know why this would be any better than a traditional eyelash glue. Now, maybe if you had some sensitivities to the eyelash glue, this might be better. I think the lashes are beautiful. I just don't know if I love the consistency of the glue and kind of how hard it is to use. Now, again, there just might be a learning curve that I just need to get used to, but honestly, eyelash glue is so fine. You know what you also could try is putting the glue on the actual lash first, like the actual traditional eyelashes are used. That's how you use them. That might be a better way to use this. So I will respond back in the description box and let you know how long these lasted, if I left them on, all of that good stuff. So thanks so much for being here. Let me know if you've had experience with these types of lashes, the ones with the magnetic liner. That would be great. All right, have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you on the next one. Lots of love from me to you. Bye, loves.